You can connect the Qlik Sense filters with a business case too. That means in this example that product line and product colors are filtering automatically the business case output too. How to do that? Please open the Apparo Designer. Open the business case definition and jump to tab linking to Qlik Sense app. Here you can see primary key and report variables. This expression is generated automatically. It contains two report variables. These variables are the connection to the Qlik Sense filters. Copy now this expression and jump to your Qlik Sense app. The Apparo extension has a setting for delivering values from the Qlik Sense app to the business case. It must deliver the current filter values to the business case. You already see the changed expression. It is reading the current selected filter values of the product line and the current selected filter values of product color. We need two report variables because we want to use the values of two filters. We need a filter functionality in this business case. Therefore there are two multi-select filters that are using the report variables as default values. Because we don't want to see both filters in the business case, we have changed both to hidden. Important, you must define two new report variables in section variables too.